Mary here. I'm a brand ambassador for ToAllMyBlackGirls.com, and I'm going to be running through some tutorials on how you can wear your kinky course clip-ins. For this hairstyle, I parted my hair off camera so that I had two separate sections, and I then added the clip-in row by row in between the parted section, as you can see here. I proceed to parten the rest of my hair with my fingers and add some more clip-ins. I then take some gel and I swoop it over my hair so that it can flatten a bit. As you can see, this is not a look you want to go out with. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the clip-ins and I'm twisting it around my hair and itself. And as I go along, I'm making sure that I pull my hair down with it. It's kind of like a French braid, but with twists. So continue twisting the hair and making sure that your hair is also part of the twist. And then twist the clip-ins all the way down to the bottom, like so. I then move on to the second side and I repeat the process. Just keep twisting and making sure that you ensure your hair is in with the twist, as you don't want your hair to be out of place. And you do this by just smoothing it down with your hand as you go along. And once you get to the bottom, you just continue to twist down until you reach the tip of the clip-ins. I look very pleased with myself. I then take my toothbrush and I slick down the sides of my hair. And there you have it, girls. 2 twist-strand ponytails. Thank you for watching, and join me again soon as I'll be showing you some more hairstyles you can do with your kinky course clip-ins. To purchase your clip-ins, please visit ToAllMyBlackGirls.com. Bye!